Hello and welcome to another Wise Option eLearning. In today's video, we are going to be going over favorite tabs. Favorite tabs allow users to have Wise Option auto open certain and particular tabs for you every time you log in here to the desktop application. This can help you speed up your login time, as well as especially if you are just new to learning Wise Option. This can be really helpful too, especially as you're trying to get through everything you need to during the day, to have Wise Option just open those tabs for you. So to get started, go ahead and log in here to the desktop application. Up here at the top right-hand corner, you're going to go ahead and click on the little person icon with your name underneath it and select Favorite Tabs. From this form here, you will then be able to select the forms that you would like to have Wise Option open automatically. So you'll notice here on the left, you will have multiple forms here in the list. If you, of course, notice any of them are grayed out, that means that it is just a part of a package that you are not currently subscribed to. And if anything is highlighted in red, that means that the system administrator has blocked certain access to certain forms. So just as kind of a little bit of navigational tools here, you can scroll through here and simply see maybe I'd like the calendar to open up. I select that form in the list, click the add button in the middle. Now I've added it to this list here on the right side. And I can continue down here. I can maybe also say I'd like to open up my customer form as well. You can also remove them. So if you find out that maybe one of these forms isn't so helpful to have Wise Option open up right away, you can go ahead and select it and click remove from the list. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add one more here to the list. So I have two here. You'll also notice there's these up and down arrows here on the right. This is so you can reorder the tabs. These, of course, Wise Option will open them in this order from left to right, top to bottom. So I can change this. Maybe I want the customer tab to be first and then the calendar. And then once I've made my selections, I can go ahead and click save. Now Wise Option will go ahead and update and open up these tabs for me. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll display that here. Going to go ahead and switch users real quick. Now, once I've gone ahead and I've retyped in my password, you can see Wise Option is automatically opening up these two tabs for me. Thanks so much for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.